Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know that it has been a long while since I've done videos like this one, and I also know that it has been a while that the Supremo 4K Wi-Fi action camera has been in the market already. And may update na nga nito. Meron ng Supremo 4K Pro, which is a bit expensive nito. You can still get this one, and yung Supremo 4K Wi-Fi action camera is still in the market. I thought I'd just give you guys a quick rundown on this action video camera, and I hope you're going to enjoy. Unfortunately, I don't have the packaging action camera. When I got married and also relocated, it was my choice to leave the original packaging and other accessories of this camera at my hometown, and only brought with me what I thought is essential when I bring this one and I use this one in my adventures and in my travels. So right now, I only have the camera itself. So this is how the camera looks. It's square in shape, and it has a button at the front and light signals also. These two stripe bands at the front, and this is the lens here, and on the top is the power button and the record button, and this one is a light indicator, and on the side is where you insert the battery. So you just slide this one and insert the battery. So the batteries actually do come with a plastic flap, so you can just tug it out at the side if you're going to change batteries. And then the closure is attached to this string here, and then you can just slide it back to close it. And on the other side is where you connect the USB cord or the HD cord, and also where you insert the micro SD card. So right now I have a micro SD card inserted there. To retrieve or to get the micro SD, you're just going to push it down, and it will automatically pop up, and then you can get it. Same as when you're going to insert it. Insert it muna, and then you're going to just push it using your fingernail or any other device that you might use. I also brought with me this case here. You could actually use this one if you're shooting outside and you want to prop up your camera with a tripod. So you can screw this one on the tripod, and then you could use it like so. The other one is the waterproof casing. This is actually how it looks. It has the button for the front and also two buttons on the top. This is where you open the flap at the back. So you push this small button back, and at the same time you flip this side out. You flip this side out, and you're going to open the case like so. I also brought with me the original charging cable, but you could use any other cable. And then I also brought with me the extra battery. The batteries, by the way, is to charge it using the camera itself. It doesn't come with a charging dock. So what you're going to do is you insert the battery on the camera. So I'm going to charge it using my power bank. You can actually use your power bank when you charge this one. So that's what I really like about action cameras. Charge it like so. So when you're on the road and not taking photos yet or taking videos, you could just put this inside your bag like so that you can charge your batteries. So let's go on how to actually navigate and how to use the action camera. So you have two buttons at the top. This one is the power button, and then this one here is the record button. So when we press the power button, just a good long press, it will turn on. So when you press the power button, it will actually change the camera mode. So if you're going to look at the upper left side, it has turned, the icon has turned to a camera, meaning you can take photos with it. And when you press the power button again, it's going to show you the video or photo playback. And when you press the power button again, it will show you the settings of the camera. In order to navigate these ones, so I'm going to press the front button to navigate the settings. And to navigate the sub settings, under the settings here, you're going to press the record button at the top to choose the options and to navigate those ones up and down. You're still going to press the front button, and then to choose which setting you like, you're going to press the record button. And that is it. Ayan, Mad Manila. Hello. Hey. Ito pala yung video without yung casing niya. So, ito yung audio niya. Dito na din kami kakain. And this is how it looks. Magulo lang dyan. Kasi meron silang ginagawa. And then, eto. Eto yung video is yellow yung light. I mean, indoors. And then, ano ang tawag ng ilaw nito? Basta warm light. Eto pala yung lunch namin. Yung beef tapa nila. Eto yung favorite ko dito. Tapos, yan din yung country sayang. All day breakfast pala sila dito. You can order this one. Any time of the day, kain muna kami. Oo nga, pwede pala na mag-zoom in and zoom out. Ito yung zoom in. And then, ito yung zoom out. Kain tayo. I'm pretty sure that you are watching videos of the Supremo 4K Wi-Fi action camera, and I do hope that this video has been helpful for you to decide whether you're going to buy this one or not. Check out my other gadget reviews and adventure videos if you like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!